y'all, this is the Beaver Bridge in wonderful Beaver, Arkansas. What's up, y'all? I figured I'd let you see the scenery instead of my old mug today, as I pop some of our people that are helping us walk this way, talk this way. Anyway, so spent the weekend on Table Rock. Was supposed to take a good friend Saturday morning, finally, but winds up he's got work things and had to do the right thing. And sorry, Patrick, you missed it. You, sir, missed it. Just saying. Enough about that. Anyway, I think you guys are gonna enjoy this one. I just put my GoPro on my head and just let it roll for 20 minutes. So we're gonna do, I don't know, me and Roger, I gotta go over all the footage and make sure it's all good, because I don't want anything that's gonna hurt anybody's feelings or whatever. So you guys stick around, enjoy this pretty much raw footage. I'm just gonna take out any bleeps for Sir Roger, and I'm gonna figure out how to make a bleep of his own. Anyway, so yeah, y'all, you guys be good at it, tight lines. We'll see you soon. Thank you to all our friends and sponsors. Just this little stretch right here don't have much down it, does it? That's all right. We'll find some around through here somewhere. There's some pretty awesome stuff coming up. If I remember right, them rocks back there, it's fun. I thought he had it, but he did not.